The story of America's independence. United States of America. On a powerful day, July 4th, 1776, America got independence. The founding fathers of independence: Thomas Paine, George Washington, Alexander Hamilton, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams. Narrated simply for understanding and sharing. More than 250 years ago, the land now called the United States of America was not free. It was made up of 13 colonies, all ruled by a faraway king, King George III of Britain. The people in the colonies worked hard. They farmed, traded, and built their towns. But they had a big problem. They were taxed by the king, and yet they had no voice in his government. This was unfair. People began to say, "No taxation without representation." Things got worse. The king sent soldiers. He passed strict laws. People became angry. They wanted freedom. They didn't want to be ruled by a king who lived across the ocean. They wanted to make their own laws and lead their own lives. In 1775, a war began between the colonists and the British soldiers. This was called the American Revolutionary War. Then, on a powerful day, July 4th, 1776, leaders from the colonies met in Philadelphia. One of them, Thomas Jefferson, wrote a special paper called the Declaration of Independence. In that paper, they wrote strong words. All men are created equal, and have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. It was a brave act. The colonies were saying loudly, "We are no longer under British rule. We are free." The war lasted for 8 long years. Many battles were fought. Many lives were lost. But in the end, in 1783, the colonies won. And so, the United States of America was born, a new nation built on hope, freedom, and the idea that people could govern themselves. Long before America became independent, the people in the colonies were angry at British taxes, especially on tea, their favorite drink. The British government said, "You must buy tea only from us and pay a tax on it." But the people of Boston said, "No, this is not fair. You tax us, but we have no say in your government." They decided to protest, but in a bold and surprising way. On a cold December night, a group of colonists dressed up like Native Americans. Quietly and bravely, they climbed aboard 3 British ships that were full of tea crates. Then, they did something shocking. They threw over 300 crates of tea into the sea. The harbor turned brown with tea. It was a huge loss for the British. Millions of dollars in today's money. Why was the Boston Tea Party important? This act was called the Boston Tea Party. It was not a party like a celebration. It was a powerful protest. It showed that the American colonists were not afraid. It helped start the American Revolution. It made the British angry, and they sent more soldiers and harsh laws. But the people did not give up. This brave act led the way to American independence. Simple meaning. The Boston Tea Party was a protest against unfair taxes by the British. Instead of fighting with swords, the people used tea to send a message. "We want freedom." After the Boston Tea Party, December 16th, 1773, events moved quickly toward American independence. Here's the story in chronological order. United States timeline, from the Boston Tea Party to independence. Calendar December 16th, 1773, the Boston Tea Party. Colonists boarded British ships in Boston Harbor. They threw 342 chests of tea into the water to protest unfair British taxes. This was a protest, not a battle. 1774, Britain punishes the colonies. King George III was furious. Britain passed the Intolerable Acts, also called the Coercive Acts. Boston Harbor was closed until the destroyed tea was paid for. British soldiers gained more control over Massachusetts. Instead of giving up, the colonies united against Britain. September 1774, First Continental Congress. Leaders from 12 of the 13 colonies met in Philadelphia. They agreed to work together and demanded that Britain respect their rights. They still hoped to avoid war. April 19, 1775, the first battles. British troops marched to seize colonial weapons at Lexington and Concord. Colonial militia confronted them. The first shots of the American Revolution were fired. This marked the beginning of the American Revolutionary War. June 1775, George Washington takes command. George Washington was chosen to lead the Continental Army. He organized and inspired the colonial forces throughout the war. July 4, 1776, Declaration of Independence. The Continental Congress approved the Declaration of Independence, written mainly by Thomas Jefferson. The colonies officially declared themselves free from British rule. This date is celebrated today as Independence Day. 1776 to 1781, the war continues. The colonists fought many difficult battles. France joined the war in 1778, providing soldiers, ships, and supplies to help the Americans. The support from France was a major turning point. October 1781, victory at Yorktown. British General Charles Cornwallis was surrounded at Yorktown, Virginia. American and French forces forced the British Army to surrender. This effectively ended the fighting. September 3, 1783, America becomes independent. Britain and the United States signed the Treaty of Paris. Britain officially recognized the United States as a free and independent nation. The Revolutionary War was over. How did America gain independence? The colonies gained independence through peaceful protests against unfair taxes, such as the Boston Tea Party, unity among the 13 colonies, military resistance during the Revolutionary War, strong leadership from figures like George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, and others, help from France, whose military and financial support was crucial, victory in battle, especially at Yorktown, a peace treaty in 1783 that officially recognized American independence. Simple timeline: 1773, Boston Tea Party. 1774, Britain punishes the colonies. 1775, Revolutionary War begins. July 4, 1776, Declaration of Independence. 1781, victory at Yorktown. 1783, Treaty of Paris recognizes American independence. This sequence shows that independence was not achieved immediately after the Boston Tea Party. It took nearly 10 years, from the protest in 1773 until Britain officially recognized the United States in 1783.